I feel like a tactical commander. This is getting really dangerous. I'm ready to give up. All right guys, today we're doing a weight vest challenge. Right now I have on 0 pounds, just the vest itself. And then I'm gonna add 1 weight and see how long it takes me until I can no longer ollie and kickflip. Let's go. 0 pounds. Man, even just the vest is too much for me. Even just the vest, I'm ready to give up. Okay, ollie. I'm not gonna lie, that was the worst ollie I've ever done. Love it. Okay, ollie. I'm dreading this. This is gonna be the most terrifying video I've ever done. Okay, where's the best place to add this? Right in the belly region, eh? We're gonna have to balance it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one going in right there, I guess. Is that right? Does that look right? Oh, I get it. I got it. Hold on, it's supposed to be like this. Okay, 1 pound. That's why that's not gonna work. I need it on top. Can't be having this thing flying around. Whatever, 1 pound, we can kickflip, right? Wow, it was deadly terrifying. Okay, I'm gonna have to wrap it on top. Okay, 2 pounds. Dude, it's already heavy. Maybe it's incorrect how it looks, but it feels so much better to have that wrapped around the outside because it holds it in, right? Oh, I'm gonna have the best ollies ever after this. As long as I keep my kickflips really low like that, I'm safe. Now what, 2 in the back? 3 pounds. 3 pounds, Eric, what do you think?
Light work.
Light work, he said. Oh, burrow. Yes, the kickflips are getting dialed in, lowest possible. And I gotta really tighten this bad boy up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're literally only at 4. I feel like a tactical commander on like a Call of Duty Modern Warfare. 4 pounds, let's go. Okay, I'm taking it, boy. It's easy. Like you said, light work. 5 pounds. It actually helps my back a little bit because it's like really tight, you know? It's like a weight vest from like a strongman competition. Okay. First try, 6. This is the last one and the full row is in now. 6 pounds. Easy money. I think you're gonna have to help me with this, Big D.
The backside?
Yeah, I think we gotta start the back row now. We'll just go bottom up, right?
There it is.
7 pounds. 6 in the front, 1 on the back. Terrifying. It's starting to feel weighted me down, bro. Oh boy. Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay, 7 it in. I know it's harder to get in there than it should be, right?
There you go, 2.
I was gonna say, I think this is the poundage I was when I was born, but actually I think I was more like 3 pounds. 6 on the front, 2 in the back, 8 pounds. Bro, I feel it everywhere. Wow, I'm getting really good. Just the lowest possible flip possible. Keep the flip low to the ground, controlled, you got it. Dang, Derek, this is deadly. 9?
All right, 9.
9 pounds. Let's go. The board is feeling lighter and lighter. 10 pounds? Finally, double dig.
10 pounder.
10 pounds? Biggest fish I ever caught. Was not even close to 10 pounds. The board's sticking to the feet exceptionally well today. Man, something about the weight is making the kickflips easier. Okay, 11 pounds. We're just ramping this guy right up there. 11 pound ollie, first try. Oh, it's definitely getting harder. Kickflip, Aaron, don't think about it, don't overthink it, don't nothing. If I go down, Derek, I'm going down. Can you imagine that extra 11 pound primo? Is this the last one on the bottom?
Yeah.
Don't overthink it, just do. Oh! America's deadliest catch, 13. Lucky 13, right? Wow, the fear is just leaving my body. This is the best kickflip yet. 14. Dude, it's weighted. This is getting really dangerous. This is Dangerousville. Still got that pop, flick, catch, land. 15, we're heading into 15ville. I don't even know if I can ollie, walk, let alone ollie. Yes, the weight is helping me land, Derek. You know, 16 doesn't really feel too much different from 10. I'm lying, it does. Wow, that's not feeling good on the old back. Woo-wee! Just barely got out of the violation. 17? Bro, this is really heavy. 17, okay. I feel like my muscles are getting stronger everywhere. I will take that. Very difficult. Wow, it's like weird. I pop it and the weight vest goes weightless and then I land and just boom, hits me like a ton of bricks. Now this is the last one in the thing, right? 18. 18. Oh, wow, the pain. I knew that was just gonna work so well. Why did it work so well? It's like I bend down, I pop up weightless, then flick. Bloody 19, are we serious? Oh, I guess I do here. I'm sweating like a pig underneath this thing. 19. Okay, got him. Let's go, 19. 20, the big 20. This is scary. It's starting to get really heavy. Wow. 20 pounds. First try, let's go. We didn't bring any water. How stupid was that? I'm dying out here. Woo! Derek, it's heavy. 21 pounds. Oh boy. It's literally popping the Velcro off. 22 pounds, right? Am I right? 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm purposely putting this higher so it hopefully doesn't undo the Velcro. 22 pounds, freaking A. How did we get here? Wow, that was very close to the end. Oh, my lower back hurts. I can't even lift my leg up to this ledge. 23 pounds, this is painful. Wow, 23 was better than 22. I have the tiger. 24 pounds. I can barely ollie, bro. Oh, I'm starting to get that little fear. I'm starting to get that fear inside the head. 24. Need the next rung up on the back. Shout out 25 for 2025, knock on wood. 25 pounds. It's plenty high for a kickflip, right? You get that little flick, the tiniest little flick is your key here. 26 pounds. Let's ante up this vest. This is getting seriously dangerous. 26 pounds. Woo, don't think, Aaron. Thinking is your enemy. 1. Oh yes, that's what you needed. That's what you needed. Do not miss. Bro, it is so, I feel like a giant came out of the ground and is crushing my upper body like this. 27 pounds. 27 pounds, let's go. Wow, I'm so glad I landed that. I needed that. 28 pounds. It feels like it's crushing my clavicle bones, crushing my shoulder blades. 28 pounds. I got this first try, no problem. Wow, that was really hard. Okay, 28. I can't believe I'm still going with these kickflips. 29, 30, 31. Yeah, because I had one missing, all but one pocket. Derek, it's literally crushing me. 29 pounds. Wow, okay. Okay, I heard you. I mean, just to do 29 kickflips in a row without a weight vest is something. If I go the whole way and I don't miss a single kickflip, 30? 30. We should have brought water. I'm dying. My head is toasted. 30, 31. 30, boy. It's getting really, really, really heavy. Weightless, you're weightless. 30, we're taking it. Wow. Last one, Derek. You know what I should have brought is some weights to hold. 31 pounds, the final boss. This is the final boss, the final battle. If I got this, I am weight vest champion. Wow, it hurts. Everything hurts. I have to do this kickflip with no thoughts. Wow, yes. Thank you. Thank you for not landing primo. You know what I kept thinking, Derek? Is that I was gonna primo, fly back so hard, and nail my head right here. That's what I kept thinking. That's not how you land a trick. You land a trick by landing the trick with nothing else in your mind. The trick is now, take off the vest and see how high I can ollie. Oh, this thing is brutally heavy. Oh, it's actually much lighter when it's on your body. Woo! Sheesh! Back to 0 pounds. Wow, I definitely feel so much better. I should definitely work out with that thing on. I ain't gonna lie to you. What in the world? I'm like world's strongest man ollie. And then I missed the kickflip with no weights. I can't believe it. No way. This was very difficult. I cannot believe I landed all the kickflips. Even just 31 kickflips in a row, I'm proud of myself. And I hope that this inspires somebody out there, one of you guys, yes you, to learn how to ride a skateboard and land your first very own kickflip. You got it, let's go. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.